So we're gonna be taking a look at 9 a.m., 9 a.m. Parfum, Supremacy, and Supremacy in Oud. I have no idea what this one actually is. I think maybe, just from my thoughts, it is like a Creed Aventus with some oud in there. That would be really cool.
This isn't gonna end well.
This video is brought to you by Afnan. Afnan did send these to me, and this is a collaboration with Afnan, and I'm gonna be taking a look at some of their fragrances that I've never smelled. These are my actual thoughts. They did not pay me off. I just wanna remind people that I do sell out. My sellout price is like $10,000, so $10,000 to $20,000. So if you wanna buy me out, I'm totally up for buyout. Like, you can totally buy me out, but $10,000 to $20,000 is my going rate. And then if you could get me a Corvette, that would be great too. But until those demands are met, it's all my own thoughts. Where's my tester strips? So thank you to Afnan for reaching out to me. I really do. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. Cool looking bottle. Really dope. I have no idea what this is. Honestly, I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a feminine fragrance, but we'll give it a shot. It's very, honestly, it smells like Aventus, like a fruity Aventus, but like a lighter version. Maybe this is like a take on Aventus Cologne? I have no idea. I've never seen this bottle in my life. 9 a.m. But this is fresh. It honestly smells like Aventus, or like a take on Aventus. Where's my phone? Some of the notes here. I have no idea. 9 a.m. Is it 9 a.m.? Yeah. 9 a.m. for women. Okay, so this is a female fragrance. It could be unisex, I feel. It definitely has like a feminine touch to it, like a feminine, you know, zing to it, I feel like. But honestly, this could be worn by guys too. But just know that it does kind of lean a little feminine. It's very sexy though. Like, it's fresh, it's aromatic, but it also has like a nice woody tinge to it. It really does. Some of the notes in here are lemon, mandarin orange, cardamom, pink pepper, lavender, green apple, orange blossom, rose, musk, moss, cedar, and patchouli. Very nice. This is very, very nice. So far, so good. It's honestly like a creamier take, I feel like, and a creamier and a lighter version take on Aventus. It smells like, but it's got like a peppery nuance, not so much Aventus. I'm not like picking up a heavy Aventus vibe here, but it definitely has like reminding me a little bit of it. The next one is definitely feminine. So I don't know what this is. Definitely feminine. Cute looking bottle. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Ooh, that's very nice. Very good. Oh, this is nice. This is a lot of citrus. This is feminine. I'm not even gonna try to. This is not, guys. This is not. Don't wear. Do not buy this. But for a lady, I'm getting kind of like a fruity zing. It smells very nice. A very everyday kind of wear for a lady. Very playful, sweet, kind of a fruity aspect to it. Maybe like a peach, or maybe even like a raspberry kind of thing kind of going on in here, but mostly like citruses at the top, and then like maybe like a sandalwood. But it's very, very nice, very playful, very aromatic. It's nothing like sexy or assertive. It's just kind of like kind of an everyday kind of wear for a lady. It smells actually very nice. Very nice. All right, so this one, I'm 90% sure this is Aventus, but I can be completely wrong. Dude, that is a dope bottle. That is a dope bottle. It's all chromed out. This is actually pretty cool, actually. The bottle is like really nice. All right, let's take a look, see if the atomizer's okay. It's nothing like extraordinary, but it does the job. Ooh, yeah, Aventus. Ooh, this smells nice. A lot of oak moss I'm getting. Kind of a mossier kind of character. I'm definitely picking up like the lemon. I feel like a lemon is in here. Black currant, definitely. Because it's got like a fruity pop to it at the top. A lot of oak moss, definitely. Some cedar. Cedar is definitely coming through. This smells like a fresher version of Club de Nuit Intense Man in the most sexiest way, really. Because this DNA, I mean, there's a reason it's been so heavily copied, but hopefully that this one lasts pretty long. I'm not like a huge, you know, Creed Aventus guy. Like Creed Aventus comes and goes for me. Like I wear it like occasionally here and there, but man, this has all the characters of like a really, really nice cologne. Listen, the bottle is dope. The scent is very nice. Hopefully that this lasts pretty long, because Club de Nuit Intense Man right now for me is like my go-to when it comes to like Creed Aventus style colognes, but I feel like I should start expanding my horizons a little bit. I'm gonna be wearing this. All right, so this one, I feel like this one could be, I have no idea what this is. I feel like this could be a more woody version, like with the oud, a more woody version of Aventus. That's what I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say. I have to say that this box right here, this is pretty dope. Flap out thing here. This is like, you know, it looks like a book. This is dope. Look at the bottle on this. This actually has velvet right here. Oh my God. Now that is a dope bottle. Look at the color on that. This is insane. This is really good. I think this is their, I don't know what the hell this is, but this is nice. All right, let's give it a shot here. Atomizers, like I said, are okay. So I'm thinking maybe Woody Aventus. Some of the notes in here are saffron, nutmeg, lavender, oud, sweet notes, patchouli, and musk. I don't know if Afnan watches my channel or not. Clearly not. But they have a sick sense of humor.
I believe perhaps I shall practice my evil laugh now.
All right, so my thoughts on, you know my thoughts on this. Careful what I say here. Afnan clearly said that I could say whatever I wanted, and but I just want to be, actually, you know what? Afnan will probably never work with me again. This is, okay, so the DNA of Oud for Glory, Oud for Greatness, is haunting me. It's dirt road, barnyard, oud. The box is a beautiful box. The presentation is awesome. You guys knocked it out of the park. But as far as the scent, just discontinue it. Thank you, Afnan. If you watched this, I'm sorry.
I'm never working with him again.
You shouldn't have sent me Oud for Glory. Anyway, thank you guys if you're watching this. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time.